pera galing sa'yo.
Wala pong ganun pong nangyayari.
Sigurado ka. Naman from you kung sino yung former chief PNP na sinasabi niyo na tumatanggap ng monthly monthly payroll from Alice Go.
Your Honor, I don't have any confirmation, but I'm sure you're not the one. I think so.
Thank you. Thank you if I'm not the one. Retired General Villanueva, na meron daw isang former chief PNP receiving a monthly payroll from you. Pwede bang malaman kung sino itong former chief PNP? I'm concerned because I am a former chief PNP. Baka mamaya, merong lalabas na script dyan na si Bato ay tumatanggap ng pera galing sa'yo.
Wala pong ganun pong nangyayari.
Sigurado ka?
Sigurado po ako. Wala pong
Kilala
ganun
mo ba ako?
nangyayari.